Welcome back to Database Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I am going to show you how to select only required column and how to rename the column from data frame. So before going to start, I request you to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. And if you have any question, feel free to ask using comment box. Now let's get started. We already talked about how to read the CSV file in Spark data frame and how to create data frame in previous video. If you do not watch, you can watch from Databricks playlist. So let's execute and create here data frame called country_df. We created here country_df data frame successfully. This is called a Spark data frame. So let's see data available in this data frame using display command. Here is the data frame we created here. Now let us suppose we want to select only name, capital and population column. So how to select? So let's go to documentation. This is a Spark documentation, and if you search here select function, you can see here this function is used to select which you interested in. If you want to select all the column, you can use here start. Let's go back to Databricks and let's see all example. So let's create another data frame called select_df countries_df, and here we use here select function to select the only which you interested in. So let us suppose we want to select, use here data frame dot select, then we want to interested in name. Let us suppose this name, and let's suppose we want to select capital and population. So let's use here capital and population. Okay, and let's create here data frame. Here data frame created. Now let's see using show command. So if you see here, we select successfully here name, capital and population. Okay, we can also select the column using data frame and passing the column name inside the square bracket. This allows you to perform additional method on the column. Okay, so let's add, there is another method. Let's use same data frame, copy this and paste in this cell and use here in, this is case sensitive, so be careful, and dot select, and we can use here countries_df and specify here column name in single quote. You can also use here double quote. Okay, name and comma, again right here this data frame and capital and capital and population. So we create here data frame, and let's, so you can see here we use here data frame and name. This allow to some additional function. If you want to rename this country to, for example, country name, for example countries_name, then this allows some additional method. Okay, using this way. And if I execute, and you can see here country_name. Okay, and there is another method using dot notation. So let's use same data frame here and use here countries_df dot select in bracket, again right here data frame _df, which is country_df, then you can use here name, which is column name, and countries_df capital name, country_df population name. This is case sensitive. Okay, so be careful and execute, and let's execute. We can see here we successfully selected name, capital and population using this method. There is another method. We need to import call function. So from, we need to write here from Pyspark dot SQL dot function import call function. Okay, we can write here magic command using call function. Okay, let's add another cell and let's use same data frame here and countries underscore df dot select in bracket, then we use here call, then we specify here column name in single bracket, and you can also use here double quote. We can use here single quote or you can use here double quote. Okay, and close the bracket and execute, and let's use here display command now. Display command, you can also use show command as well, but this is show in tabular format. You can see here name, capital and population we selected using call function. This method is one additional benefit. We can do here some additional functionality and methods. For example, we use here alias method to rename the column. We give here alias method, for example countries name. We can also do here alias method and in capital underscore city. Okay, we execute here and let's execute. You can see here we rename the country underscore name capital city from capital. Okay, and we write here in a small letter, so it's showing here in a small letter. Okay, so we use here 4 type of method to select column. We preferred, personally I preferred this method using call function. Okay, if you do not need to do any functionality and any calculation, then we can prefer here only select method to select only interested column. Okay, so next topic is we can use here with column rename. So let's use here md magic command rename the column as we required. So let's suppose we use this method to select and now we want to rename the column. So let's create first data frame. We created here data frame and let's now create another data frame with column rename underscore df. Now we created here data frame and we select only name, capital and population in this data frame. Okay, so if I want to rename the column name, so let's execute first this one and let's add here display, execute. Here we selected name, capital and population from countries underscore df to country underscore select underscore df. Now we want to rename name to country name, capital to capital city. So we can do using with column rename function, and let us suppose we want to rename name to countries underscore name and we also want capital to capital city. Okay, so execute and let's show this using display command. So we successfully rename using with column rename. So if you go to documentation and search here with column rename, and you can see here documentation. Let's click on this, and you can see here this column is used to renaming an existing column. Okay, so you can see here examples. In this video we learn about how to select the interested column which we required in production environment and how to rename the column. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.